guys, we're in Georgia. Very short video, but you know that I go all over the world looking at hobby shops. We're in Tbilisi, Georgia, and this is a Minima scale models. It's a very short video. It's a very small shop, but it's just so awesome to find a shop here as well. Of course I bought some, I'm going to show you them to you later, but just enjoy this very short video. And of course, if you're visiting Tbilisi, Georgia, check this place out, it is awesome. Guys, I may have come here on a business trip, but I think I have found the only scale model shop in Tbilisi. I don't know what's going to be inside, but let's have a look around, see what's inside here. I like this. I like they've got a model car stuck on the wall. And if you come here, it's on Galaka 20 Street number 9. Let's go inside and have a look around. These are cool. Abrams, and he's paints it the same way I paint Abrams. Really nice style. The 15s, Frogfoots, M23, F16. Hawker Hurricane in check markings. That looks interesting weathering, I like that. Submarine. Cool. And here's the kits. And paints. Got Humbrels. Humbrel enamels. Old ones. And everywhere has to have Tamiya. I just think I have to buy a kit. I don't know what though. Awesome. So happy to find a shop here. In the corner here, ABD models, the 143 scale kits. They're sort of like metal and plastic. I haven't built one of them yet. And I don't know if I will. But they are interesting. And they're pretty good prices, I'll tell you that much. These are really good. Collectible models in metal. They look really good. They're not too expensive. Never seen these before. I'm not really a collector, I'm more of a builder, so I've got an amazing range. And of course you have to have planes up displayed in check markings, dropping bombs, or a Spitfire on fire, followed by ME-109. Really nice civilian airliner collection. They look very expensive. Can't see the price. Oh, 500 Georgian lari, so I think about $200 maybe for that big that big kit there. Wow, a bit expensive for me, but got the Tamiya stuff, so that's really good. Definitely need to, nothing wrong with getting a few supplies on here. This one, I saw this like rare, look at this old Hasegawa box in the OV10A. It's cool when you find like some rare gems in the shops. I haven't seen this one, Russian Army tank crew. That one's cool. I just feel so like sentimental coming into this shop. Look at these old Tamiya kits. I want to get one of the little Jeeps. It's nothing much, it's not a big kit, but they're just cool. They fit inside the luggage. The price is really cool as well. I like both of these. I've built these maybe 3 times already, but they are just freaking awesome. I'm just tempted to get all 3. Let's see what I walk away. They got like a nice selection of little tools as well. I like this thing, but it looks kind of lethal. I think this is like a sprue cutter or just like a nipper, but oh, those are razor blades, I think. The old Tamiya cement. Oh, Mark Fit. They got some paintbrushes. Nothing wrong with getting paintbrushes. And of course, if you want a coffee, maybe there's some cold beers in there. No, there's just water. Oh, I didn't see this. They've got the dragon kits as well. The 172 scale dragons. Those are nice. Those are nice. Come on, let's make some purchases and let these gentlemen get on with their day. Yeah, I really like your shop. It's awesome. I go all over the world to do model shops, and this is just, I love finding like great place like this. Thanks.
Do you have your blog?